Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and this YouTube video is going to be about digital electronics, and the topic for today is Boolean algebra and logic simplification. So in this video we are going to solve these two numericals over here, in which we will be using the Boolean algebra and laws to simplify these two expressions. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly start with the solution of the video. Alright, so the first question is at hand is AB bar multiplied by C plus BD plus A bar B bar, and then this entire function is multiplied by C. So in this particular expression, the first thing that we are going to use is to use the distributive property. So this would look somewhat like this. AB bar gets multiplied onto both these terms here. So this would be A B bar C plus A B bar B D plus A bar B bar, and then this entire expression is multiplied by C. Now after this, what we are going to do is we are going to use a rule of Boolean algebra that says, which is the rule number 8 out of the 12 rules. Now this rule says that B multiplied by B bar is always 0. So this is the rule that we will be using in this part of the equation here. So if you notice, we have a B and B bar in this position. So what this means, that this entire part here would be 0. So this would be A B bar C plus A multiplied by 0 multiplied by D plus A bar B bar multiplied by C. Now after this, what we are going to do is we are going to use rule number 1, that is any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So now this means when we apply this rule number 1 onto this equation, so this entire expression over here would turn to 0 over here. So that means now we are left with A B bar C plus 0 plus A bar B bar multiplied by C. Now in the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to drop this 0 over here. So all that we are left with is A B bar C plus A bar B bar multiplied by C. Now again in this step we will be using the distributive law. So that means we now have Z is equal to A B bar C multiplied by C plus A bar B bar, and then we have C over here. So we are going to use another rule of Boolean algebra that says that this particular C multiplied by C would become C. So technically what we have here is A B bar C plus A bar B bar, and then we have a C. Now if you notice from this particular expression here, the term B bar C is common in both these terms. So that means we can take this common. So this would be B bar C multiplied by A plus A bar. So A plus A bar, when kind of multiplied with this, A plus A bar would become 1. So this would be B bar C multiplied by 1. So that means the final answer to this particular question is B bar C. So this is the answer to the first problem. Now let us quickly solve the second question that we have at hand. So the second question that we will be solving is Z is equal to A bar BC plus A BC whole bar plus A BC whole bar plus A B bar C plus ABC. Now in this, if you notice, we can take BC out of the first and the last term as common. So if we take BC out common, this would be A bar plus A plus ABC bar plus ABC whole bar plus AB bar C. Now A plus A bar technically would be 1. So that means we now have Z is equal to 1 multiplied by BC plus. Now in this ABC A B bar C bar, that is this one, and from this one we can take out C as common. So this would be A B bar dot 1 plus ABC whole bar. Now when you solve this, we drop the 1 on this side. So both these terms would be kind of 1. So all that we are left with is this is equal to BC plus AC bar multiplied by B bar. And when you solve this, the final answer that you get on solving this equation is BC plus AB bar plus BC bar. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.